everyone, I just wanted to share something with you real quick. So this week was a big milestone for me. I had the opportunity to lead my first ever technical design review for one of our medical devices at work, and this is a critical part of our product development process. As a relatively new member of the team, this was both very exciting and a bit scary as well. I was responsible for coordinating the review and making sure that every detail was included and considered. This meant diving deep into the product's design history and getting familiar with all the documentation and understanding the relevant standards and procedures as well. To say the least, it was a lot to take in, and I found myself starting work earlier than usual and staying at it a bit longer as well, just to ensure that I was fully prepared. And because in my head, I was like, everyone else in the room will have much more experience with the product compared to me. But that was okay. The thing is, I knew that I wasn't alone. My manager and senior colleagues were all incredibly supportive. They answered all my questions patiently and provided guidance whenever I needed it. That support made all the difference in the world and helped me stay focused and calm my nerves as well. And when the day of the review finally arrived, which was just a couple of days ago, I was ready. The meeting went smoothly. Everyone participated and shared valuable insights, and we covered all the critical points as planned. I wasn't perfect, of course not, but it was a solid first experience, and more importantly, it was a success. Looking back now, I'm so grateful for the trust that was placed in me. Being given the responsibility to lead such an important task as a newer engineer is something I truly appreciate. It shows that my company values the growth of its employees, giving us the chance to step up and prove ourselves. I'm proud of what I accomplished, and it feels great to have this experience under my belt now. There was a steep learning curve, I must say, but I managed it, and that's something I'm really happy about. This experience has not only boosted my confidence, but also reaffirmed that I am in the right place. I'm surrounded by people who want to see me succeed. And what price can you put on that? Now, as I'm wrapping up the final documentation after the review meeting, I can honestly say that I'm proud of the work that I did. It wasn't easy, but it was worth it. And I'm excited to keep growing and taking on new challenges in the future as well. Now, I'm sharing this with you just to say, get out of your comfort zone, push those boundaries, and do the thing that you need to do. It won't be easy and it won't be perfect, but it will be yours. It will be your achievement and your effort, and it will have your mark on it as well. So just go for it. It will be hard and scary, but it will definitely be worth it. Good luck. Bye.